welcome back to another video, and today we are doing the ice cream challenge, and we are the M3E. My name is Marlson.
My name is Elston.
And I'm Mark.
And today we are doing a challenge like the other one, but it's gonna be the ice cream. Please like this video and don't forget to check out our other videos and stay tuned.
Alright guys, so welcome back again, and we're back at it again with another video, another ice cream challenge for the M3E squad. So stay tuned everybody, it's gonna be fun. Alright guys, so this is how it's gonna happen. So right now we're just getting ready to get the game started. What's really going down right now is Mars, or all three of them will be blindfolded again, once again blindfolded, and also Mars is gonna go ahead and tape their hands in the back so that they will not be able to use their hands. So Marlson, stay put, hands back. All right. All right. Go ahead and use the scissors. Tape it up, tape it up. Okay, your turn, Marlson. Come on.
Look! Why do we need the spoon? Oh, yeah.
So stay tuned, everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and tie Marlson up, and also put on their blindfold so we can get started. All right, we'll be back shortly. All right, guys. So we're just about to start right now. So as you can see, they're all blindfolded and all taped up from the back, so they're not going to be able to use their hands. So this challenge is eating ice cream challenge. So let's see. Are you guys ready for this?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
What?
What is this?
Wow. What? It's not even.
This is nothing.
Yeah, it's
Look at Marlson. Look at this guy.
It's nothing.
Oh, okay.
This is a paper plate?
Yeah, I just pranked you guys. So let me go ahead and remove those plates. Let's go ahead and take those plates out. All right. Heads up. Heads up. Alright, so it's the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and start. Come on. Alright. Okay. Come on. Don't be shy. Ooh. What was it?
Yummy.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, I think I like this. Ooh. Oh, this guy is really good at eating ice cream. Ooh. Okay, let's see those two. Ooh. Okay, I see. Yeah, disgusting. Ew.
What?
Ew. How's your ice cream, Austin? Good? Woohoo! Yeah. I wish Mommy can eat some ice cream with you guys, right?
Yeah.
But she's not gonna be able to eat ice cream.
Finish!
No, not yet.
What?
Nope.
Now
Bread, please.
I'm finished.
Huh? No, you really have to like clean up your plate.
What?
Uh-huh. Yep.
I don't feel anything on
Wow. Okay, so Mars.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at me. Okay, let's show your face. All right, let's see how you look right now. Okay. So we have a first runner-up. This too. Woo! Oh, Elston is almost done. Oh, come on, Elston. Oh, come on, Elston. Wow.
Bread, please.
Huh? Brain, what?
Bread, please.
Brain freeze?
How are you gonna break?
Wow. I am so proud of you guys. You guys are actually doing pretty good on this challenge today. You're able to finish the remaining ice cream. Oh, wow, look at this. Yep. Woo. Oh, this is really getting interesting. This, guys. Oh, wow. Ooh, these guys are doing pretty good. More up. Yep.
Guys are still eating.
Oh, wow, look at this guy. Oh, wow. Whoa. All right. Wow, so it looks like we have, wait. Still, there's just a little bit on yours. Come on, Rawson. Just a little bit. Yep. All right, okay. Woo! Look at that, guys. A round of applause for this gentleman right here. Good job. I'm so proud of you guys. All right. Okay, woo, good job on this challenge. How about that?
Can I take off my mask?
Woo, huh?
Okay, guys, this is the end of the ice cream challenge, and stay tuned because after these videos, it's gonna be the giveaway. And like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.
Are you cold? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. See you guys.